Study less, study smart. In this video, we'll present proven strategies to enhance your learning by employing effective study techniques. You will in fact retain more information while spending less time studying. Baywill, your journey begins here. Number 1, information gathering. Identify which information is important and which is not. Think about what your teacher emphasized in lecture. This may be a difficult task at first, especially when introduced to a new topic. One trick is to use a study guide for that course to help reveal to you the most important topics. You can also add in information that you find significant afterwards. These notes will form your condensed summary sheets. Also, using practice questions, whether they be from your textbook or another resource, can guide you to the important topics as well as show you how the questions are being asked. Number 2, active learning. Passive learning is easier, it requires less effort. Active learning is more challenging, but it is far more effective. In order to practice active learning, you must put the information in your own words. You can use diagrams and tables to help you organize the information. You want to organize similar concepts together and then sift out the tiny differences. Your goal is to make a map on paper that you can then ask your brain to retain. It will subsequently be far easier to access the information come exam time. Number 3, memorization. You want to use your summary sheets or condensed notes, which contain high-yield information, to guide you in your memorization. The goal is not to memorize everything, but to understand and retain the high-yield topics and information that you will be tested on. This is why information gathering is key. Visual aids can play a big role in memorization as they help our brain retain the information in multiple ways. Mnemonics can also be helpful, so don't hesitate to use them. However you choose to memorize the information, you must remember to practice spaced repetition in order to retain the information for test day. Spaced repetition is a method in which you rememorize the information at increasing intervals. You are then forcing your brain to relearn the information just before it's about to forget. If you have any questions, email us at administration@baywill.com. Like and subscribe for future videos.